This is Chef Charles. Today we're gonna make a really awesome chicken dinner. That's the easiest comfort food you can make. Tender green beans, rice and gravy. Garnish it with some gravy, a little finishing salt, and I'm gonna dig into this. This is our dinner tonight. We got some chicken thighs, green beans, seasoning. We're gonna season it in a mixing bowl. Chicken stock, flour, butter. We're gonna make a gravy for the dinner. All this is gonna be cooked in one pan. We'll make some rice on the side. Should be real quick, real easy. Also, good price point. All right, we're gonna season these birds now. You don't want them soaking wet when you cook them. You know, it's just not gonna get crispy. You're just gonna kind of boil it instead of create like a good crust. So get it dry. It'll make a big difference, trust me. So we're gonna start with some salt, chili powder, paprika, chipotle, onion powder, garlic powder, some more paprika, it's a different type, a little bit of black pepper, olive oil. And it's not spicy at all, it's a little flavorful. Personally, I would have thrown a little bit more spice in there, but I wanted to keep it friendly because some of the family doesn't really want spice. Additional oil to prevent sticking. You know, this is just easy. Easy to eat, easy to cook, just make it easy. We're on medium-high heat. Start with some oil. Skin down. When you're dropping anything into a pan, especially a hot pan, drop it away from you so it doesn't splash on yourself. We're gonna cook this for just a couple minutes on the stove top, and it's gonna cook all the way through in the oven. My oven's preheated to 415. It's gonna go right in the oven with it. This is all we're gonna do. Now we're gonna set a timer for 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's pull the chicken out, check it, see how she looks. It's looking really good. All that chicken fat is rendering out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my green beans. I've just cleaned these off. You're welcome to take the tips off if you'd like. I'm just gonna throw them right into the pan. Now the pan's gonna go back in the oven for 20 minutes. Our 20-minute timer's over. Let's pull these birds out, see how they look. I'm gonna turn my burner on, give it that finishing touch. Let's temp our chicken. When you temp chicken, you wanna go to the bone, the thickest part of it. You can really go for like 155, 165. We're at about 180, so that's good. So really nice color on there. Now this chicken jus right here is incredible. That is just liquid flavor. This by itself is super good, but instead I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of flour just to give it a little bit of depth and color. Gonna use a beef stock cube. Let that cook for about a minute too, depending on how hot your heat is. A little bit of Lea and Perrins in there. Adjust the consistency when you need. Black pepper. That's perfect right there. We got everything plated up. We got some really good chicken. We threw in some green beans halfway through the cooking process. We made some rice on the side. And when the chicken was done cooking, we made a little pan gravy sauce. I'm gonna show you guys a little plate up. Just take a scoop of rice, piece of chicken, or two. Get your vegetables, get some gravy all over it. Nobody at home ever made this for me, but this just tastes like home. I used to do this all the time, you know, come home late from work. The chicken skin is the best part. You gotta get the skin on, you gotta get the bone in, makes it juicy. Please give this a try. This is so good. This is actually so good.